Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. So AVAX has done everything we wanted it to do. It came lower, it made one more low, but now at some point it will be time for it to turn around. We have basically a complete pattern to the downside. On the AVAX chart, I can count a WXY structure complete in this wave 2. And we've hit the support area. We've nearly come to the 12.99 level, which is the level I don't really want to see broken, because then it will get unreliable. As I always say, any wave 2 that breaks below the 78.6 fib level will get less reliable. Ideally, we're holding that level though. That would be the 12.99 level. As long as 12.99 is holding, I'm happy. Yeah. It's coming down currently in this Y wave, obviously, which I'm counting as an ABC structure. The wave A done, wave B done, and the C wave is currently unfolding. It could also get one more high and one more low. It certainly could do that, but I don't want it to break below 12.99. So here's a bit of a wait and see. At no point I have so far confirmed that the low is in place, and I'm still not doing it, even though I'm now watching closely. And you should be watching too. There's a bit of a reaction here now. Yeah. Let me actually make that a little bit clearer here. That background, there you go. Let's fade it out a bit. It has certainly reacted here somewhere, but the move up is currently only a 3-wave rally. So there's nothing telling me here that this is something. It could certainly be a small 1-2 setup, yeah. But it could also just be an A, B, C and make one more low. For me, important would be first indication that we have bottomed would be a break above the trend line that we have put here on the chart with the dotted line here, coupled with a break above the wave 4 high at 1497. Yeah, this would be good. And then the next signal that we've bottomed would be a break above the higher degree 4th wave at 1537. But I think once we break above the trend line, then we can clearly observe. And I would possibly, depending on the structure at the time, would then confirm that we have bottomed. But for now, I'm not doing that. Not yet. Focus remains lower as long as we follow the trend. We're currently following the trend. We've just made a lower low. Haven't made a lower high yet. If we now make a higher high and then a higher low, that would be a good indication that the trend is shifting. But bear in mind here on the 1 hour, we're already overbought now. You know, looking at the 4-hour chart, still in the bearish range, surely a bullish crossover on the MACD, but still in the bearish range on the RSI at the moment. On the daily chart, this is interesting because here we're nearly oversold, so I don't think it can drop much more. But and honestly, I mean, if you zoom out, it's now it's in our support area, it's in the trend reversal area. It can turn around at any time. Just bear in mind what I always say: there is not the person standing there ringing a bell when a low has been struck. Yeah. This will always only be seen afterwards. I will always try to make you aware as soon as possible, but therefore I give you the support areas, the trend reversal areas where price has a chance to turn around. Yeah. At present, also a slight bullish divergence on the daily chart, which is good to see, and a bullish crossover on the MACD. So this is the time to be watching, but it's a bit too early to confirm looking at the price action that we have bottomed. But this is certainly something I'm now observing for you. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.